So you give them hot water in the morning? How much water do you give them?
I fill up their containers with hot water.
The pheasant's container and the dog container?
Yes.
Stay out here, Mimi. Did you lose a few pheasants? How many you got now?
I got 8 pheasants.
You got 8 pheasants? Oh, they're hiding underneath the bushes.
I put evergreens in here so they think that they're out in the woods. And now I'm headed over. I'm gonna feed Colby. You see, Jesper, this is the feed. He has all the feed he wants to eat. And you got to remember how I'm doing all this. So if you still want to take over the farm in Minnesota, this is what you have to do. Now I'm going to go over and feed Grandma's miniature horses.
What about the chickens?
And Grandpa shovel a path through the snow here so the chickens got a path. They can walk up here and they eat their shell corn. And then I turn around and then I gotta feed Grandma's little ponies. Jesper. See, I give them corn. When you see how much work I got to do, you'll probably want to stay in Las Vegas. Now I gotta walk up and turn the water on to the other horses. Seeing
How much?
It ain't all love and glory here. See this big hay rack load of wood? You got to cut that every fall in order to keep Grandpa and Grandma warm. I burn wood. So there's a lot of work out here, Jesper. Oh, you could have Jorgen help you. He's a strong boy. He can do all this too.
How much feed do you give the, how many horses do you have right now?
I got 20 horses. That's with 3 boarders. And Grandma's got them four little miniatures.
How much feed does 20 horses eat a day?
Well, I give them 3 5-gallon pails of shell corn once a day, and they're running out into corn stalks. So they eat maybe a round bale of hay every 2 weeks.
One of those round bales there?
Yes, or one like on the tractor back there. I guess I don't have to water them today. The tank is 3/4 full and I can't fill it up too much, Jesper, because it freezes. So see, I'm hanging the hose like this, Jesper, so it drains out. Otherwise it would freeze up. And out here is my big daddy horse, the horse that makes all the little ones. I got to keep him separate in the winter time.
Stay here, Mimi. Stay here, Iz. Stay here, Iz.
Yeah, they'll be all right.
Come on, Iz. Come on.
They'll be all right.
Iz,
Kitty, 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 kitty.
come here.
Okay, Jesper, now this is what you are going to really like. Grandpa even makes hot water for the kitties. See here, Grandpa feeds the kitties with hot water. Kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Now look at Jesper. I dumped the hot water in their tray here, and they'll all come here. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. See, my kitties are nice and fat. Now I got to get water for the horses. Here's the kitty that Jesper likes right here, that black and white one.
Grandpa still has your cat, Jesper. Who's the water out for?
I'm watering the daddy horse. He's out in the pen by himself. Then I have to water the other little horses that are in the barn.
So you have acreage. Who do you rent your acreage out to?
I work my own farm, Jesper.
Who combines it for you?
Randy Peterson, the neighbor, combines my corn.
Who hauls it for you?
I had Todd and Lonnie Freckle to haul the corn this year. I loaded it in their semis. There, see, I only water this guy once a day because otherwise that's all he wants. He drinks that all day, and then by the time he's done, it freezes.
Who plows your field for you?
I don't plow my fields. I no-till. I keep planting right in the old stocks.
Who plants for you?
Greg Moe does the planting.
How do you spell that?
Gregmoe. He does the planting, and elevators do the spraying and fertilizer.
Oh, that's good to know, Dad. Good addition.
It's cheaper to do it that way than own my own equipment. Because the equipment nowadays is in the tens of thousands of dollars.
Do you have to take out a loan each year to run the farm?
Yes, I take out a $30,000 operating loan.
And how do you pay that back?
Run the farm, and I pay it back is I hope I get a crop that I can sell. And I hope I have, after I pay that back, I hope I have enough to make the farm payment. And if I don't, then I gotta borrow money from the bank to make the farm payment, and I've been doing okay.
How much, okay, how many acres do you have?
70 acres with the building site.
And how much does it cost to plant the corn?
$700 an acre it costs to plant.
And how much do you sell it for an acre?
Well, it all depends on how much corn is. Like right now, corn is down. So you're lucky to you put about $700 in the
See here,
crop.
Mimi? Mimi!
She's all right. You put about $700 in the crop. And you end up with maybe $100 per acre profit, if you're lucky. So farming is a risk.
Mimi!
Your Aunt Renee is worried about her puppies, but they aren't going to get run over by the horses. Did you see all the kitties, Jesper? Jorgen? Now Grandpa's got to give the other ones 2 more pails of water. Then I got to turn them out, and they're out all day. Then at night I got to do this all over again. I put the babies in, and look at, if Aunt Renee shows a picture of that one's getting nervous. That one wants to get out of the stall. Then when we get done doing this, we're going to feed these some corn, and the other ones some corn out in the field. Then I'm going to have Aunt Renee help me split wood. And see, that's something you got to do too, in order to stay warm in Minnesota.
How many logs do you put in the wood burner every day?
It all depends on how big they are. Probably about 6 or 8. I'll be showing you, Jorgen and Jesper, how I do it. Is my voice coming in?